Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my vacation tip in Stockholm, Sweden part 2. So now let's begin. So today I'm going to show you some beautiful places in Stockholm. Me and my brother are so excited. I hope you are also so excited. I don't know where we're going to go because it's a surprise for me and my brother. Now we have to go down a very deep and long escalator. Wow, it looks so beautiful. The walls are all blue with some paintings, some beautiful paintings. It's so beautiful. Oh, and the train is also blue color. Now let's take train journey. Now we're at T Central Station. You know what the surprising thing is? In 2007, my father came here. Now we're here again at the same place. I'm so excited. We're waiting for the tram to come. Our tram is here. Now we're going to Kamlastan. The tram ride is so fun because one side is sea and one side is so many beautiful buildings. The weather is also very nice. Now we're at Kamlastan area. It is so beautiful because there are also some beautiful boats. The water is so bluish and clean. It is so nice here because we are walking next to the water. We are having so much fun here. You can see me and my brother. We are playing on the bench because it's so cool. My brother is pretending that the bench is like a slide. He's having fun. People are also relaxing. We are taking some pics. This is Stockholm Palace, or some people call it Royal Palace. There is an area for kids to play. There is one swing. I'm going to try. It looks fun. It is also so down. It's so nice. There is also one rotating wheel. It looks easy, but it's very hard to do. Me and my brother are having so much fun on the rotating wheel. The more we walk on it, the faster it goes. That's why we're walking a little bit slow. The view from here is so beautiful. We can see the water and the buildings. Now we're at the entrance of the Royal Palace. From outside, it looks so big. Now let's go into the palace. Wow! So nice. It is an old palace. This palace was the official residence of some Swedish kings. Now let's go further into the palace. The palace has 1,430 rooms. The palace contains apartments for the royal families. Some people take guided tour. Now I'm going to show you how Old Town looks like. So let's go. Now we're walking into one street. It looks very clean. You can see these places in movies. There are many streets, all looks the same. These are some random pics what we have taken. You can see I'm dancing and my brother is following me. It's so funny. He always copies me. Now we are going to the viewpoint. There are so many steps. But still we're having fun. And now we have to walk. Now we're at the viewpoint. It's so nice. We can see the whole Stockholm. We can see the water, the buildings. I think we can also see our hotel. We're enjoying that. These are some photos what we have taken. Now we're in the tram and we're going to another place. Now we're going to Beautifull. It's especially for children. So I'm excited. Let's go. So we are going. You see, my brother is always funny. Now we are at Beautifull. This is an area where all the kids can enjoy. Inside, we can see how the people lived in olden days. There is a small wooden train. In this train, they will show and tell a story.
And look, there's Alfred. It was Sunday and they were having a party at Catwalks. People were on their way to the party and the flag was at the pole. Aha, that's the she-dragon from ancient times.
It's so nice. Now we came out and then there was a beautiful house. So we're playing in that house. Now we're at the Stockholm Globe Arena. There is an elevator. It can take us to the top and we can see the sky view from up there. The day ends, so now we're going back to the hotel. The next day we started with good yummy continental breakfast. So today also we're going to see some beautiful places. So let's go. You can see this is a very old tram, but it's still running. So great. The tram ride is so fun. We have taken another route. The buildings are so nice. We can see a double-decker bus. It looks so funny. Now we got out of the tram. It looks so beautiful. Here, people use lots of electric scooters. There are so many of them. You know, the pollution here is very less. Now we're again at the Central Station. There we played chess in the mall. I like to play chess. It's fun. My brother doesn't know how to play chess, but he's still learning. We're having fun. I'm in one team and my brother and my father are in one team.
So finally we're going to Helsinki by a cruise ship. A cruise ship.
The Stockholm trip ends now. In my next video, I'm going to show you how we're going to Helsinki, Finland by the cruise ship. It is my dream trip. So, see you guys in my next video.